Thailand's newly crowned King Maha Vajiralongkorn and his queen Suthida presided over the Royal Ploughing Ceremony at Bangkok's Sanam Luang on Thursday. Marking the beginning of Thailand's rice planting season, the ceremony saw the sacred oxen presented with grass, rice grain, corn, green beans, sesame, liquor and water. The Permanent Secretary to the Ministry of Agriculture, Suthida, took the role of the ploughing lord, whereby he sprinkled the ploughed lands with seeds. At the end of the ceremony, crowds rushed to gather seeds sowed by Suthida, either to keep as a good omen or mix them with their own seeds for a better crop.